Exciting news today, because finally we can use previews with our composables in Compose Multiplatform. Hi guys, my name is Reis. I hope you're doing well and I welcome you to a new video. When previously working with Compose Multiplatform, we had some hard times when it came to preview our composables. We previously needed to run the app actually to see our UI. With Compose Multiplatform 1.6.0, we now have support for preview annotation in the commonCode. However, it's not yet supported for Android Studio or any other IDE, only for JetBrains Fleet. So in this video, let's go through the process to finally preview our composables. If you haven't done it yet, download the Fleet preview on the JetBrains site. The link is down in the description, and install it via the toolbox. I'm on a Silicon MacBook, that's why I'm downloading the Silicon version. So to try it out, let's start with a fresh project. That's why we're here in the Kotlin multi-platform wizard, and we stick here to the Android and iOS module and simply say download. Now, if you open up Fleet for the first time, you should be greeted with this no recent workspaces screen. So let's go to the Downloads folder and open the project. Inside the Downloads folder, I have the preview example here, and let's just click on the folder, open, and yes, of course, we trust the project. And now you can see it's already updating the indexes. So let's wait a little bit until it's finished. After a few minutes, the process finally finished. And now let's go into the Compose app here. And let's see what we have here. Common main, Kotlin, and let's see what's inside the app here. You can see it already has an annotation saying preview. So I'm expecting that we should also see a preview. So let's click on this icon here. And a Compose preview screen open up. It's building. So let's again wait a little while. Oh, and we have a preview. So nice. That is really cool. But let's see if we can also update it. So if we adapt the text here, maybe to just click. Loading spinner starts. But it doesn't seem to directly update. Maybe I need to save. Now it's building, rendering, and we see click. Great. So what happens if we add another text? Maybe click 2 will also show directly. Saved it. Building. And we also have a click 2. Wow, great. I'm really astonished how good that works. However, if I click on the screen here, it says this preview is not interactive. So still, it has not the functionalities you might already are familiar with the Android preview. But that's maybe one thing that is coming in the future. Who knows? So, but what happens if we add a second composable here? Let's say quickly app2, also a composable, and we also want a preview. And let's say just the text this time. Hello, I'm a preview. And I once again click on the button here. Okay, one preview at a time, as it seems. But as it seems, it takes quite a while to switch from one preview to another. So there still might some work to do. However, I'm really, really happy that we can finally preview our composables. Of course, it's the first version, and in the future, I'm sure it will improve. As well as the Fleet IDE, it's still a little bit slow, and I'm really looking forward for what's coming next. I hope you had some fun with this quick video here of the Compose preview, and if you're interested in more of those videos, like the video, subscribe to the YouTube channel, activate the notification bell, and I hope to see you soon.